Good morning, Maui. Checking out our surface analysis, our high pressure dominant is a 1031, squeezing between this low pressure right here, and we have some developing trophy troughs below us. Looking at our wind map, we see that high pressure is filling in with a northeast wind around 31 knot on the islands. We have this disturbance developing below us, which is going to start giving us all that crazy weather. And our waves are going to be just coming from the northeast, but mixed in with a bunch of other swells. A quick look at our pressure gradient map shows the yellow as our high pressure, which has been dominating the last few months in the Pacific, and this purple is our lows, which have been stuck way up north near the Aleutians, not giving us much waves. Our fear now is that this low down below will develop into us. The current forecast shows right below us for a little low to start spinning and spin right into us and then move away, blocking our winds and giving us a lot of rain. Our crater is 3 miles an hour out of the south-southeast. The Big Island Sounding is showing inversion around the 5,000 foot mark, and Kauai is still up to 6,000 with a nice diabatic. Due to that low pressure below us, we have these developing clouds, which typically are upper level, but as you can see, they're gaining intensity and are going to start actually giving us a bit of rain. Though we might get wind today, the chances of us seeing the sun is fairly low. I tried to fly yesterday in the no sun and it just never developed. It was pretty sad. And when we look at our Doppler, you'll see that there is a large amount of moisture and rainfall coming in on our east-facing shores on Maui. So it's raining outside right now. We'll probably expect some rains today. The satellite is showing massive cloud cover over the islands, as well as Big Blue showing the same. Our wind guru forecast is showing it to stay moderately windy today, even throughout all the rain. It's switching a little more east tomorrow and southeast by Wednesday as we kite through the rain, and then a few days of southeast, which is always changing after 3 days in advance. So it's really hard to say, but so far the forecast is pretty dominant that it's going to be a cloudy and wet one for the next couple days. Our tides are going to be moderate to high, moderate low, moderate high around 1, low around 6. When we jump in and look at our buoys, we have a 6 foot 13 second north-northwest swell. 8.2 was so far our max height, and that just started building this morning. So we're going to have winds. I think there's a few swells mixed in together. I'd imagine it'd be kind of funky junky at the ocean. If we look at Mama's beach cam, Mama's beach cam is looking pretty big. It's looking windy and gray. I don't think there's going to be much surfing on this side, minus the harbor. But, you know, there's a good chance that Honolulu Bay is going to be pretty nice and gray, but still doable compared to anywhere else. So, at least we got that. And final look at our sun for closing. It still looks moderately inactive. We do have a couple of little lines showing. Nothing in the coronas. Yeah. You know, try to stay warm out there, guys. And have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.